Yo, what's up guys? I'm finally back on YouTube. I know I haven't been uploading on YouTube for a while, but I've been just really busy with my college. I was focused on my finals, and now that's all over. I'm back on YouTube and I'll be creating a lot of content for you guys. I got a lot of requests from you guys on Twitter to make a video on the model I trade. I don't trade a single model. I have multiple model and I just trade the one that presents itself. For December, I've been just mainly trading the inversion model because it works really well in choppy conditions. Before we dive into the video, I just want to say I created a free Discord for you guys. I'll be sharing my plays. I'll be live streaming every day soon, and just to talk to you guys and hang out in there. So make sure you join up. I'll leave a link in the description. And also, here's our Discord. We only have about 11 members right now, but I just created this Discord, so we're doing pretty good. And here's my Twitter. You can follow me there. And yeah guys, let's dive into the video now. Alright, so for our first example here, I'll show you guys a trade I took today on my eval. I passed my 150k, and this is a trade I took. My entry was around here. Stop loss right below this fair value gap. Alright, and I target these equal highs. So now you have to focus on time. You can't just take any fair value gap at any time. This is what I waited for. I didn't take anything in here. I waited for the lunch manipulation, and this is where it happened. You see at 12:30, big move down. All this is doing is taking out all the longs, all the traders who went long here, stopping them out, and then displacing right back up. So once I saw this is where I wanted to take a long here. And let me show you how to trade the inversion model. So the inversion model, if you're looking for longs, you want to draw out the bearish fair value gap. Once a body closes above the fair value gap, you can mark it in. So I'll mark it in here, and you will put your stop loss right below the fair value gap and target UL. But again, you have to wait for the time. You can't just take this anytime. You have to wait for some sort of, here, let me write this down. So first, wait for stop rate, then displacement up, close above bearish fair value gap, market buy, stop below the fair value gap. So these are the 5 steps you can follow to trade this model. This is a really simple model, but it works really well in choppy conditions. So yeah, that's it for my first example here. Let me find another one. I think I marked one down here. Yep, okay, yeah, here we go. So another example here. For this example, what am I waiting for? A stop rate. Where are the stops at? All the traders who went long, where would they place their stop here? They would place it here. So what do? Market comes down, takes out the stops, displace it right back up, and that's exactly what you want to see. So what you do here is you draw out the bearish fair value gap, and once you see a candle close above it, right here, this is where you go long, and I'll put my stop right below it, and then you target the buy side. Really simple setup. That's pretty much it to this setup. I'll show you guys another example here. Here, let me take this out. So what am I waiting for? A stop rate. So what happens here? NQ displaces down but fails to displace below the slow. And once I see this displacement right back up, I know that we're going for this buy side here. So what do? I draw this out. Candle close above it, stop. Here you can just put it at the order block. Since we already tapped this order block, we don't have a reason to come back. So I'll just play my stop here, and then you can target whatever you want to target. And this is pretty much it to this setup, guys. It's a really simple setup. Works 9 out of 10 times, and I've been using it a lot this month. And I will make videos on my other setups as well, the ones that I mainly use. But yeah, just stay tuned for all that content. Again, I created a Discord, so you can join the Discord here. I'll put a link in the description and my Twitter. Go drop a follow. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.